everyone, and welcome back. I'm so sorry that it has been a minute since I have uploaded a video, but I should be back on track now, and you should be watching this on a Thursday, so I should be back to my regular scheduled posting days. So thank you so much for clicking on today's video. Now, I know today's video isn't as long as I normally upload, but I wanted to assure you guys that there is a ton of motivation packed into today's video. I'm going to do a little bit of light cleaning here in my family room, and that is because we're finally going to get started on that downstairs bedroom that I was using as my office, and now we're going to make it more of a combo room. I'm going to make it into a guest bedroom slash office, and I'm going to take you guys along with me. So we are going to start that mega makeover in today's video. So it'll definitely be probably a 2 to 3 part series. So if you guys are new here, make sure you subscribe and stick around.
We do anything for what we started. But this time we could break. I'm running dry. Everything's the same. We'll try tonight. This time we're not safe and sound. Not safe and sound. What if I'm no good?
I decided to go ahead and kick off today's video in the family room and clean up in here because the office is a downstairs bedroom just right here off of the family room, and I wanted to use this space to kind of stage items as I'm emptying it out, because I know for sure there's items that I want to list for sale on the Facebook marketplace, and then also I wanted to donate a bunch of items, and then of course I knew I was going to have a lot of stuff to store and also throw away. So I didn't want to bring out a ton of a mess on top of another mess. So I wanted to come in here and clean up, so I kind of had a clean slate in here to go ahead and start working on that other room. So I'm going to go ahead and start staging some stuff out here that I know that I want to take pictures of and get it up for sale. But before I dive in too far, I wanted to give you guys a really good overview of this room, because I know this transformation is going to be shocking. So that's why I put brace yourselves, because this is definitely a room that I know a lot of people have, and a lot of you guys have expressed that with me and told me that you cannot wait for this video because you have areas in your home that are very similar and you need motivation to tackle it. So you guys are my motivation to get in here and finally tackle this room and make it into something beautiful, so I can share that with you guys and also motivate you. So comment below and let me know if you guys have a Monica closet or Monica room in this case, or what is the worst area in your home that you have been avoiding to just get cleaned up and tackled.
It's gonna take us some time, but I won't give up, though I know it's tough. We need to break our patterns. It's better now than after we have drifted off too far. Let's tear down these walls our destiny has called. We're walking down a path, and the wind will change at last, like a song about our past. So I'll just close my eyes and dream about our kids and how they're running around. Won't you come and lay down next to
am not convinced I'm going to keep it this way, but I'm going to go ahead and pop off these closet doors so I can move that TV stand that I was using for my printer and my Cricut, and I'm going to try putting it in here. That way when I'm running my business, I can have this as a functional space, but then when I want to have guests, I can just close these doors and hide it away. So this is definitely not going to be the finished look in here, but it's definitely a start, because today is all about just getting rid of things and getting reorganized and prepping this area for me to be able to come in here and work my magic. I already shared this cart over on my Instagram a couple of days ago, so make sure you guys follow me over there. I will have my handle on the screen, and you just get a lot more up-to-date behind the scenes sneak peeks over there. But I'm gonna go ahead and take a minute to assemble this cart. I did it all by myself. I was so proud, and I'm gonna use this to store my Cricut and my vinyl and like my easy press and all my craft supplies that I needed, instead of just having them on the floor. This will give them a nice designated spot for me to keep everything, and then that way when I need it, it's really easy and it's all just in one place.
With us it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I need more of you. With us it's all or nothing, but guess I need more of you. You say it during night, but in the morning you just leave. With us it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I need more of you. With us it's all or nothing, but guess I need more of you. You say it during night, but in the morning you just leave. Had to convince my friends this time. Think you're toxic to my mind, but I know they don't know what you're all about. The way you hold my body tight, staying up talking through the night. Yeah, I know they just don't. With us it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I need more of you. With us it's all or nothing, but guess I need more of you. You say it during night, but in the morning you just leave. I need more of. With us it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I need more of you. Why don't you stay? Why don't we talk about this? Why don't you stay? Why don't we talk about this? With us it's all or nothing.
So after what seemed to be all day of clearing out this room and staging things in the other room, I cut a lot of that out because I didn't want it to get boring, and I just wanted to give you guys the main gist and motivation, because I really wanted to capture this to help you guys out. I am just on a journey of thinning out things that I don't need, and I'm just getting rid of it, and it feels so good, and I want you guys to feel that way too. So I'm giving you guys just the quick blips of me going through here, and I wanted to show you where I'm ending my day, and make sure you guys stick around for my next video, because each video I'm going to show you guys my progress, and we are going to take this ugly duckling room and we are going to turn it into a swan, and I'm so excited to share that with you all.
You just leave. With us it's all or nothing.
So I had to put a pin in that room for the day because I had to go attend to my family and feed them dinner. And as you guys can see, as I'm cleaning in that room all day, my other parts of my house are kind of falling apart. So I need to come into my kitchen and unload my dishwasher, and that way I can empty out this sink full of dishes. As you guys can see, I have a very large deep sink, so when you see this many dishes, there is a lot underneath that you don't see. So I definitely need to tackle this because I know if I go to bed like this, it's going to give me nightmares. So I'm going to go ahead and speed this up and let's get this done together. I really quickly wanted to thank you all again for watching today's video. YouTube can be really tricky kind of getting your content out into the universe, so every single view I get, I'm just so incredibly thankful for. So I wanted to ask if you guys could maybe share my channel with a friend, maybe go share it over on Instagram and tag me. Anytime you guys do that, I love reposting that in my stories and share you guys as well and try and return the favor. So I just wanted to ask if maybe you guys could share my channel with a friend. I would so greatly appreciate it. And then again, if you guys are new here, absolutely please consider subscribing. I would love to have you. If you also have a white sink at home, I'm going to share some of the products I absolutely love to use here on my sink. And the first one is Dawn Power Wash, and this other one is Barkeeper's Friend, and I love using them together. So if maybe I had a pan in here that was sitting and it left a little rust mark or a stain at the bottom or whatever it may be, this takes it right off. So that was my first time trying that out, just leaving in a few real sounds of the house as I clean. I've seen other people do that and I thought that is so neat and different. And so I thought I would go ahead and try it out on one of my videos and see how you guys liked it. Maybe hearing the spray or hearing the can and the powder, and just kind of bring you guys into the room with me. And sometimes it just not only can help motivate you, but kind of make you feel like we're hanging out with a friend. I also noticed in a lot of videos, people are doing a lot of real-time cleaning. So right here, this is real time of me putting these below my sink, and that just means that I'm actually moving this slow and it's not sped up. The speed isn't adjusted. And I noticed that is like a big thing in these videos. So let me know if you guys enjoy slow homemaking, I think it's also called, or just real-time clean with me's. I'm just so curious and I try and stay up on the new trends. I could see how it's very satisfying and motivating and just kind of bring you more into like real time watching that kind of style content. That overview of my floor, I wanted to show you guys. There was like orange juice or something spilled. I think I spilled a little bit doing the dishes. And then anytime I do the dishes or use the sink, I usually drip water, and then sometimes when it dries, it can look like the floor is dirty. So I just wanted to kind of show that to you guys really quick and then just wipe it down. It was later in the evening and I was just not feeling like mopping my floors tonight. I was gonna wait until the next day. Don't worry, I will capture that and film it for you guys when I do, but I just wanted to do a really quick spot clean. I picked up this frame from Target. It was only $13, and I'm gonna take the print that's in it now, and I went ahead and got a printable from an online shop, and then I had it printed up at my local Walgreens. And just a tip, make sure you always Google Walgreens coupon codes before you order, because a lot of the times you can save 40, 50, or even 60%. So I paid less than $4 and I printed 3 different pictures, so that is definitely a steal. So all I'm going to do is take this printable. Again, I'll try and remember to link the site where I got this one from. It's just so beautiful and traditional, and I've been wanting to put a framed photo in my kitchen for some time now, and I just could not find anything that I just loved. So I decided to, why not go ahead and make my own. So I'm gonna probably move this around my kitchen 100 times, but for right now in this video, we're gonna go ahead and just put it here. And I just love how it adds just such a traditional touch to my kitchen.
Try to figure out who I am.
I almost forgot to move the laundry over that we did earlier, and that was hours ago. And I knew I wanted to go ahead and wind down for the night, and I thought, oh my gosh, I better do this before I really forget. So I need to go ahead and get this out of the dryer. And then I wanted to go ahead and prep a load for the next morning. So I'm going to go ahead and throw this into the washer and just get everything set. That way it's just super easy for me to go ahead and be ahead of the game tomorrow. And the last little thing I wanted to share with you guys today is my backyard at night. I came back here and just kind of decompressed for a few minutes before I went in and got the boys into their nighttime routine. This backyard is our oasis, and I wanted to go ahead and just share that with you all. But thank you again so much for coming with me today and just cleaning along with me and watching. If you guys enjoyed today's video, I would love if you could hit that like button. It helps me out a ton. And don't forget to subscribe if you have not done so already, and definitely stick around for the next video, because I'm going to be doing some more in that really hot mess of a room downstairs, and I cannot wait to show you guys the finished product. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
It's not easy, but I'm feeling stronger with you, and the days don't